Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to hide photos in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to hide your photos so you can hide it. In this video guys, I will show you how to hide photos. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all open your guys this file. So we will on this file, Google file. After the guys you can see this type of setting. So guys you will have to come scroll it and guys save folder. So guys click here, then guys it's showing choose a lock pattern and pin. Guys you can choose anyone, so we will go with pin and guys set a pin. So example guys we will set only normal pin 1234. Next, same guys, and guys got it. So guys let's see, and guys click on guys images, and guys example for guys we will take this screenshot and guys you can take this image. Then guys you can see this three dots. So you want to example for guys I'm telling guys you can hide your photos like that. Guys same setting we have, click here and guys move to save folder, click enter your password guys. So this photo will hide in your phone. You can see example guys, again take this geo one, guys click here, move to save folder, enter your password, next. So this photo will hide guys, you cannot see photo here. So that's it guys, and guys now you can see photo is here, we have this photos. So I hope friends you have understood how to hide photos in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.